Welcome to our comprehensive video guide on why you should start an LLC and how to obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) in Colorado. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure that offers personal liability protection and various tax advantages. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a first-time business owner, forming an LLC in Colorado can be a strategic move to protect your assets and grow your business. So, let's dive into the details of why starting an LLC is beneficial and the step-by-step process to get your EIN. First, let's discuss the benefits of starting a business in Colorado. Colorado is a vibrant state known for its diverse landscapes, thriving economy, and entrepreneurial spirit. Starting an LLC here can open up a world of opportunities for you and your business. Here are some compelling reasons to consider forming an LLC in Colorado. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the primary advantages of an LLC is personal liability protection. As an LLC owner, your personal assets are typically shielded from business debts and lawsuits. This means that your home, savings, and other personal assets are safeguarded in case your business faces financial challenges or legal disputes. 2. Tax flexibility. LLCs offer flexibility when it comes to taxes. By default, a single-member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity, and the owner reports business profits and losses on their individual tax return. Multi-member LLCs can choose to be taxed as a partnership or even elect S-corporation tax treatment for potential tax savings. 3. Easy and affordable formation. Forming an LLC in Colorado is a straightforward and cost-effective process. Compared to other business structures, the paperwork and ongoing compliance requirements are relatively minimal, making it an attractive option for small business owners and startups. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Operating your business as an LLC can enhance your credibility with customers, suppliers, and potential business partners. It shows that you are serious about your venture and committed to adhering to legal and ethical standards. 5. Flexibility in management. LLCs provide flexibility in management, allowing you to choose between member-managed or manager-managed structures. Member-managed LLCs are suitable for smaller businesses, where the owners are actively involved in day-to-day operations. In contrast, manager-managed LLCs are beneficial for larger businesses with hired managers to oversee operations. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC in Colorado, let's walk through the step-by-step process of forming your LLC and obtaining an EIN. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS and is required for tax purposes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step is to choose a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. The name must comply with Colorado's naming requirements and should not be deceptively similar to existing business entities. You can check the availability of your chosen name on the Colorado Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Next, you'll need to designate a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Colorado and be available during business hours. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. To officially form your LLC, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization with the Colorado Secretary of State. This document contains essential information about your business, such as its name, address, registered agent details, and the purpose of the LLC. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by law, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended for multi-member LLCs. This document outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, profit sharing, and dispute resolution procedures. It helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts among members in the future. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Depending on your business's nature and location, you may need to obtain specific permits and licenses to operate legally in Colorado. Check with local authorities and the Colorado Business Licensing Information Center to identify the permits relevant to your business activities. Step 6. Apply for an EIN. Now that your LLC is formed, it's time to apply for an EIN. You can do this easily online through the IRS website. The EIN is essential for tax reporting, banking, and hiring employees, if applicable. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Colorado and obtained your EIN. Starting an LLC in this beautiful state can be a transformative step for your business journey. Remember, an LLC provides personal liability protection, tax flexibility, and credibility, making it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs like you. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive guide on why to start an LLC and how to get an EIN in Colorado. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey in the great state of Colorado. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.